Looking for ways to earn money while you sleep? In this video, we're breaking down 10 passive income ideas for everyday people. Simple, realistic ways to start building income streams. Let's get into it. Print on Demand lets you sell t-shirts, mugs, and more without holding inventory. Design in Canva or place pre-made graphics on gear via platforms like Printful or Teespring. Once someone orders, it's printed and shipped for you. Start with your favorite niche like pets, fitness, or quotes. Create faceless YouTube videos using AI voiceovers and stock clips. Use tools like InVideo or Pictory to make videos about trending topics or evergreen info. Monetize with YouTube ads, affiliate links, or sponsorships once you meet the requirements. Promote other people's products and earn a commission when someone buys using your unique link. Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, or Impact are great starting places. Best part, you can do this on blogs, YouTube, or social media. Selling printables or templates on Etsy or Gumroad is one of the easiest ways to earn passively. Think planners, wall art, digital journals. You make it once in Canva or Google Docs, then sell it forever. If you have a phone and a good eye, upload photos to sites like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, or Pexels. Each download earns you a royalty. Great for photographers, or just anyone who takes decent shots. Write a short guide, how-to, or story and publish it through Amazon KDP or Gumroad. If you're good at something, budgeting, fitness, parenting, you can teach it and get paid for it. Package your knowledge into a course using platforms like Teachable or Udemy. Great if you're a teacher, coach, or just know something people want to learn. Apps like Fundrise and Groundfloor let you invest in real estate without owning property. You get paid dividends as the properties earn rental income or increase in value. Start with as little as $10. If you're organized and love systems, make and sell templates for Notion or Excel. Budget planners, habit trackers, project dashboards. There's always a market. Sell them on Etsy, Gumroad, or your own site. Musicians can upload beats or tracks to Audio Jungle, Epidemic Sound, or BeatStars. You earn royalties every time your music is used in a video, ad, or project. Meet Rachel Jimenez. She quit her 9 to 5 as a higher ed administrator and began selling digital products on Etsy. Today, she earns an average of $14,000 per month from 7 income streams, including Etsy, a blog, real estate, and stocks. She became a self-made millionaire through trial and error, finding her niche and staying consistent. Rachel didn't get there overnight. She learned from her missteps and built a life around doing what she loves. Now it's your turn. Let us know in the comments, what passive income stream are you trying out? Want us to dive deeper into any of these ideas? Drop your vote below and don't forget to subscribe.